Hi, I am Lisa Corsilia, the founder of the Express Moms and creator of the hands-free pumping accessory, the Express Straps. I wanted to take a moment to show you how simple and easy they are to use. So I have my bottle put together. There is a loop here that you simply put the flange through. You just slide that through, and it is elastic, so this will fit any size flange. I would simply unhook my nursing bra, flip that down, put this in position where I need it for pumping. And then this top clip, I clip onto my nursing bra, anywhere that it's kind of a tight fit to hold that. And then this is the stability clip, and this can be put anywhere where you feel like you need a little bit more stability. I generally clip it to the band on my bra. Now I turn on the pump and I'm ready to pump hands-free. It really is that simple and easy to use.